Friends, Huawei Mate 40 comes with Android 10 EMUI 11, but there is no Google Play services and powered by Kirin 9000E 5G processor with 3.13 GHz octa-core and GPU Mali G78 MP22. Whereas Huawei Y9A runs Android 10 EMUI 10.1, but there is no Google Play services available and powered by MediaTek Helio G80 processor with 2.2 GHz octa-core with GPU Mali G52 MC2. If we see the display of this device, you can find 6.5 inches screen size with OLED Full HD display that comes with a resolution of 2376 by 1080 pixels with 402 ppi pixels density and also comes with IP53 dust and splash protection. Whereas Huawei Y9A is 6.63 inches device with IPS LCD display having resolution 2400 by 1080 pixels with 397 ppi pixels density. Talking about the internal memory, then Huawei Mate 40 is available in two variants. One is 128 GB and other is 256 GB, but both are available with 8 GB RAM and also supports nano memory up to 256 GB. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in Mystic Silver, white, black, olive green and sunflower yellow colors. Moving on to Huawei Y9A, it is available in 128 GB of primary storage and 6 and 8 GB of RAM. This phone also supports up to 256 GB nano shared memory. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in space silver, sakura pink and midnight black colors. If we talk about the dimension of Huawei Mate 40, it measures 158.6 by 72.5 by 8.8 mm of height with thickness or 9.2 mm of leather back and 188 grams of weight with hybrid dual nano SIM option. This phone comes with front and back glass with aluminum frame. Whereas Huawei Y9A measures 163.5 by 76.5 by 9 mm of height, width, thickness and 197 grams of weight with dual nano SIM support. About the camera, then Huawei Mate 40 comes with a triple 50 plus 8 plus 16 megapixels primary camera setup with 1.9, 2.4 and 2.2 apertures with wide angle telephoto ultra wide and 3x optical zoom PDAF depth sensor Leica optics technology with LED flash panorama and HDR. It shoots out videos of 4K at 30 or 60 frames per second while Full HD at 30, 60, 120 and 240 frames per second and also equipped with 13 megapixels secondary camera with 2.4 aperture with ultra wide lens and it can record video at 4K and Full HD at 30 or 60 frames per second. Moving on to primary camera of Huawei Y9A, it comes with quad camera setup that is 64, 8, 2 and 2 megapixels with 1.8, 2.4, 2.4 and 2.4 apertures with wide angle, ultra wide angle, macro and depth with depth sensor. It shoots out videos of 4K and Full HD at 30 frames per second and also equipped with selfie motorized 16 megapixels camera with 2.2 wide angle aperture and that can record the 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. Friends, in Huawei Mate 40 you can find under display optical fingerprint sensor with some more sensors like gyroscope, compass, accelerometer, proximity, color spectrum. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band Wi-Fi direct, Bluetooth, hotspot, NFC, GPS, infrared port, USB Type-C with USB on the go, fast charging at 40 watts, fast wireless charging at also 40 watts. This phone is powered by non-removable 4200 mAh battery as well. Whereas in Huawei Y9A you can find side-mounted fingerprint sensor with some more sensors like proximity, compass, accelerometer and gyroscope. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct, dual band, Bluetooth, GPS, hotspot, Type-C reversible connector, USB Go, USB on the go and fast charging. This phone is powered by non-removable 4200 mAh battery as well.
So that was the quick comparison of both smartphones. You can also check further details in the description below. What do you think about these smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.